know, I look so different right now. I mean, probably not different, but my hair color is now platinum. And that's why I haven't been filming my face in this vlog. Oh, hi, I'm Kalila, or Callie. Welcome to another vlog. I think it's like vlog number 7. So I already started filming this vlog like a week ago. And my hair wasn't done because I was busy bleaching and killing it so that I could get this hair color, so that I could get these braids so that my roots can match the braids. So my natural hair is now white platinum so that I could get this and have my edges and everything be white and nice. And yeah, so that's what I was doing. And 99% of this video, if not all, besides the ending, is me just knitting. So, you know, it's gonna be a little different from what I usually do. No talking bits, but I do talk at the end, so, you know, that's cool, I guess. Yeah, I just wanted to give a heads up because I didn't want to just start it and it's like, I don't speak the entire time and you guys are like, huh, what? I don't know, you guys probably wouldn't even be like that, but yeah, anyway, on to the video, enjoy. Hold on. Ooh, I was sitting on blocking mats. The sweater that I blocked yesterday. Yeah, I blocked it and everything yesterday. Well, washed it because I don't really do much blocking, like shaping and stuff. I just like hand wash it, but it's dry now, which makes sense. It's a fingering weight sweater, like literally one strand of fingering weight yarn, but it was so cold. It was like below freezing last night, so I'm surprised it actually dried. But here it is, draping. The cat? Anyway, draping so nicely, which is perfect because I need to take pictures in this and post pictures tomorrow. But that's something that I finished. I finished knitting my socks. They are on my feet right now. They are so warm, so comfortable. What else did I do in this video? I know I was working on my socks. Something else, but I am currently working on a new project. You guys saw that I started it. It's the caramel sweater by PetiteKnit. I'm using Sunday by Sundness Garn with Tin Silk Mohair by Sundness Garn. It is such a soft, beautiful combination. The mohair is mixed with wool, so it's like mohair, silk, and some wool in it. And it is so freaking soft. It is softer than all of the other mohairs I have used so far, like just putting it to my skin. But we'll see how it is when I have a whole garment on. And it's also a turtleneck. So this is the longest collar I have ever knit, and it took forever to knit it. I mean, it took 2 days, but that's forever just to knit a collar. It's gonna be folded like this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute, so chic. It's a lavender color that my friend Alexandra, she sent it to me all the way from Sweden. So I'm so happy I'm able to use it now. And I just finished doing the German short rows. So now I'm just going to continue doing my raglan increases. And also this week I got a new set of needles. Also, I got the new Leica copper needles. I know. Why am I getting so many new needles? Because I want them, okay? But these are bamboo needles. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've always wanted to try bamboo needles because people speak so highly on it. So these are the Clover Takumi needles. And it's Takumi Japanese. But they are so light. I was weighing it in my hand and comparing it to like my knit picks and my Leica needles, and these are airy. But the good thing is it comes with cords that can make like 16-inch, 26, 29, 24, 29, 36, and like 48 or something. Circulars, which is so great, especially the 16-inch, because right now this is 16-inch and I don't have to use my shorties. And I like my shorties, but they do get annoying because they're just such tiny needles. But these are like, they're a little shorter than regular size needles, but they're not shorties, so I am in love. And so this is my new whip. I needed to cast on something new because I feel like I've just been making gifts and other things, and my brain was just like, I was just feeling a little unmotivated, so I was like, okay, I need to do something just for me. I don't count the socks because they're tiny. No one's really gonna see it because I'll always have shoes on, you know? So I was like, I need to do a sweater. And a caramel sweater is just like a simple raglan turtleneck sweater, and it's also on my list. And I'm rambling. Anyway, I'm breathless because I just ran up the stairs. I got a notification right after I finished filming that I had mail, and it's yarn mail. Okay, this first mail is, oh my god. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, my first yarn mail is from Red Door Fiber Studios. I was only expecting this one, which is her monthly club. This is the February color. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Gosh. It's a sock set, obviously. It is her classic sock base, which is 75-25, so 75 superwash merino, 25% nylon, 423 yards, 100 gram hank, and then 93 yards in this 20 gram hank. This is so freaking pretty. And my camera's about to die, but I'll keep going until it stops. The next yarns are my Akatar yarns. I ordered like over 20 from her, so she just gave me what she could. Oh my gosh, this is her classic fingering. Like I was saying before my camera died, this is her classic fingering base. It is 100% superwash merino, 436 yards per 100 grams, and the colorway is Fire Drake. I think that's Amrin's color. I think it's Amrin's color. And this, like Amrin's tonal. I only got all the tonals. I'm not a, surprisingly, I know, I'm not a fan of variegated yarns unless it's like lightly variegated, like It's Not a Sweatshirt sweater. Or if I do get variegated yarns, I get it for sock sets or for hats or bandanas, and that's it. But look at how vibrant this color is. OMG. And of course, I got a sweaters quantity. Hello. I'm so freaking excited. Okay. The next yarn is a package I was not expecting because I didn't get any tracking for it. But I bought some yarn from Hobby. And I bought sock yarns. In, I think it's DK weight sock yarns. Hold on. Just open this up. Sock yarns. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Ah, okay, I'm so excited. Okay, yeah. I got their rainbow 8-ply sock wool. It's 75% wool, 25% polyamide. So it is 75% virgin wool. And and I got this to make Sunday socks. There is a fingering weight version of this, but I wanted the DK weight version because the Sunday socks are knit in DK weight. And I was like, I was gonna make a sweater as a present for someone, but then I decided they don't really wear sweaters, so let me knit them socks. So I got this blue color. Oh, so pretty. These are 100 gram skeins. They're 229 yards. So yeah, for sure DK. And just like, I love these colors. I got black. You can never go wrong with some black socks, okay? I got 2 skeins each. And then I got this golden yellow color. Just for some pop of color. So all of these are going to be the Sunday socks by PetiteKnit. And I got 2 skeins each just in case. I wasn't sure how much I would need. I mean, I knew how much the yarns that she recommended uses, so I was like, let me just get 2 of each and just be over prepared. So this is my little yarn haul. Yeah, my little yarn haul of sock yarns, sock set, sweater quantities of yarns, and that's, wait, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a pin. It's a pin. Ah, I love enamel pins. I can add it to my bag full of enamel pins. This is my knit bag, and I have all the enamel pins that I've ever gotten on it. Eee, hold on. There it is. Ah, I love enamel pins. But yeah. This is so exciting. I'm going to be knitting these next month. I bought 9-inch circulars in 4mm. I have one in 2.25, which is what I usually knit my socks in, but the Sunday socks calls for 4mm, and I refuse to do magic loops. So I was like, let me get the 9-inch circulars. They're coming in sometime next week, and I was like, hopefully they will work on, they will work for these. So let's hope. Yeah, that is my little yarn haul. That is all that I have for this video. I am so happy to be working on this. I'm hoping to get through like half of the yoke today. So we'll see how that goes. But let me know what you guys are working on. Let me know what you do when you're starting to feel unmotivated when crafting. I think casting on something new is like the best remedy for that. And I love that. Also, I love my hair so much. I'm going to try to stay with this hair color for a while, okay? Like at least a year. I change my hair so often and I'm like, all right, just stick with this one. So we will see. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. I totally mixed this up, but remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!